Hello, my name is Jules Hammond and I'm the CEO and co-founder of BeFC. At BeFC we produce electricity using papers and enzymes. Just like the body, we use enzymes to convert biofuels into energy. We offer an eco-friendly and sustainable energy solution for low-power electronics. There's a growing trend towards wearable and point-of-care medical devices. Applications include patient monitoring, continuous glucose monitors for those suffering from diabetes, and digital pregnancy or ovulation tests. There's also a trend towards connected and IoT devices. Here we have things like wireless environmental sensors, connected packaging, and logistics trackers. At BeFC we offer an eco-friendly and sustainable energy solution for low-power electronics. And if we look at the micro to milliwatt range, we can provide power for microprocessors, sensors, flash storage, and then we can communicate the data wirelessly over protocols like Bluetooth Low Energy and ANP. But there's a huge problem, and the problem is that most of these devices that we've talked about are currently powered by lithium, coin or button cell batteries. These miniature batteries are expensive and complicated to recycle, so most end up in landfill. Now, for all the miniature battery chemistries, an average of 97% end up in landfill, polluting our earth, our soils and our waters. And at BeFC we believe we have a technology to prevent this. We've developed a paper-based bioenzymatic fuel cell that avoids the use of any toxic materials. In fact, we just use glucose and oxygen as fuel, and we have a paper-based construction. We have a choice of activation methods, so we can activate the device using biofluids like blood, sweat and saliva, or environmental fluids like river or rainwater. Alternatively, we have a patented technology where we use a blister as a liquid reservoir. The devices can be easily stored at room temperature. So far, after 15 months, we lose just 4% of our energy density, and the devices can be easily sterilized, which is interesting for medical applications. The market, if we look at the point-of-care diagnostic market in the US, is expected to be worth tens of billions of dollars in the next few years. But if we just look at one specific application, which is the continuous glucose monitors, the leading manufacturer already produces over 100 million units per year. Digital pregnancy tests. Here, the leader, Clearblue, produce over 10 million units per year. And we've already partnered with Clearblue to demonstrate our technology as an eco-friendly alternative to batteries. The business model. The devices are made from paper, so they're quite easy to fabricate. We plan to produce them here in France. For 1 meter squared, we can produce over 4,000 coin cell batteries. Now, the pricing will be competitive to lithium with around a 50% profit margin. The technology. Like a battery, we have a positive and negative terminal. We turn them a bioanode and a biocathode. We use paper microfluidics to distribute the fuel quickly across the device and also filter the liquid. We use functionalized carbon paper, and we have a high theoretical energy density, 7 times greater than that of lithium ion. The device is a simple stack of paper layers, specifically cellulose and carbon. At the bioanode, we oxidize glucose to liberate electrons, and at the cathode, we reduce oxygen to produce water. And these two reactions complete the electrical circuit and create a flow of electrons. The devices are made from paper, so they're easy to change the shape and size. And we have a portfolio of patents protecting the core elements of the technology. If we look at the competition, photovoltaic is interesting because of the high power density, but this is only true in direct sunlight. Other techniques like thermal, vibration and radio frequency energy harvesting produce very small amounts of power, and furthermore, their power generation is erratic. In comparison, BeFC offers up to 2.5 milliwatts of power per square centimeter on demand when it's needed. We have an amazing team with a range of expertise and experience, and we also have a superstar advisory board. We operate in the heart of the Alps in 2 buildings with 4 laboratories and a production facility. We've attended CES where we won several awards. We've also been in the national TV and press. And we're currently looking for 2.5 million euros of VC funding. Together, help us power the future with nature. Thank you.